moment diagram with a internal hinge. So you can see this is a internal hinge. So this beam is how to draw a SFD and BMD diagram and how to calculate a reactions, support reactions. So I explain in a step by step. So let's understand the beam step by step. So you can see this one of the left side. So left side A is a fixed support. Left side, this is this beam is a fixed support at D. Locate at a 8 meter from A. There is an internal hinge from D to B is a 4 meter. So you can see this with a 50 kilonewton load act and the support C. The left span carries a 20 kilonewton uniform distribution load over a 8 meter. So first we will calculate find the reactions. So find the reactions. So first analyze the right span D and B. So first analyze D and B. The total point load is a 50 kilonewton. This length 50 kilonewton placed at the center of 4 meter. Placed at the center of the 4 meter. So reaction at a D equal 25 and B equal 25 kilonewton. This is a 25 at the hinge. So hinge act downloader on the left span. Downloader on the left span. Now analyze the left span total UDL. So you can see this total UDL 20 kilonewton and length is 8. So equal 160 kilonewton. So total 160 kilonewton. So include the hinge force reaction at A. So our UDL is 160 plus hinge is 25. So 185 kilonewton in reactions is a support A. So our already discussed how to calculate in reaction support 185. So at now draw the shear force diagram. So now shear force diagram how to draw. So you can see this at the support A, shear force at a 185 kilonewton due to the UDL. So you can see this due to the UDL, the shear force decreases linearly. So decreases linearly and becomes a hinge and a 25 kilonewton plus 25 kilonewton. From D to C, the shear force remain consistently at plus 25 kilonewton. At C, the 50 kilonewton point load causes sudden drop from 25 kilonewton to minus 25 kilonewton. So from C to B, the shear remain is minus 25 kilonewton. So finally at support B, the 25 kilonewton begin shear back to 0. So you can see this is a shear forces diagram. At the fixed now I discuss about a bending moment diagram. At a fixed support, so our fixed support A, the maximum hogging moment. So our hogging moment is comes to minus is 84 kilonewton. Because of the UDL, the bending moment change along a parabolic curve and it discuss 0 at the hinge D. So remember the bending moment at the internal hinge is always 0. Is a hinge always 0. From D to C, you can see our D to C, the bending moment increase linearly. The maximum positive moment occur at the C. So maximum bending moment occur at the C is a 50 kilonewton per meter. You can see this. From C to B is a moment decrease linearly at a becomes at the B. So you can see this how to hogging moment comes in 840 kilonewton. So you can see this is a moment MA equal W into L. So you can see this our UDL is a 20 kilonewton into length is a 8 meter into 4. So this is a 4. You can see this 2 into 2. This is a 4 plus 50 our point load 50 kilonewton 50 into 10. So how to tens is a come. So you can see this is a hinge to this support is the middle. So this is a tens comes minus 25 into 12, then calculations after comes 840 kilonewton per meter. This is a hugging moment. So this is our live session. So in this live session you in this live session, if you find this helpful, please follow subscribe our YouTube channel Civil Engineering Help. So that's it. So any questions have in this math, so if everyone comment our live session, then I reply our comment. Thank you.